Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make a pistachio layer cake using Amoretti's pistachio extract. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to mix the egg yolks, the water, and the oil together, and once that's combined, then I'll add the sugar and the salt, mix that, and then I'm going to add the cake flour, and we'll keep mixing. Now I'm going to mix some egg whites with some sugar and cream of tartar, and then I'll fold that into the cake mix. So I'm going to fold the egg whites into the cake batter in 3 increments. We'll do a little bit first time just to sacrifice it, and then we'll do the others. Just very gently fold in the egg whites. You don't want to lose all the volume. All right, I'm going to divide this batter into 2 separate bowls. I'm going to flavor one of the bowls with the pistachio extract, and then I'll leave the other bowl plain because I want one of the layers to be white. All right, so I'm going to weigh this batter because I want all my layers to be just the same. 1 layer is going to be white, and 2 layers will be flavored with our pistachio extract. Okay, so this is the white layer. I'll put this aside, and then I'm going to flavor this with our pistachio extract. I'm using pistachio extract number 40 in the cake batter for a nutty flavor and a wonderful aroma that other brands will not give you. This extract is highly concentrated, bake-proof, and freeze-thaw stable with no alcohol, no chemicals, and no artificial colors. All right, this is thoroughly mixed. It smells great. I'm going to now pour this into the cake pans and bake these cakes at 350 for 20 minutes. And this particular layer cake, I am using pistachio buttercream and a chocolate buttercream. I'm adding pistachio butter artisan number 35 to the buttercream for a rich, nutty taste and aroma that complements the pistachio cake. This product has no artificial sweeteners or preservatives, only natural ingredients. In the chocolate buttercream layer, I'm using natural chocolate fudge brownie artisan number 3 for a perfectly smooth texture with a rich chocolate aroma and flavor. All our products are ready to use and highly concentrated. Our artisans work so nicely with cold applications such as buttercream, so that's why I'm using this. And now it's time to build the cake. So here's one of our layers. It has been cooled and refrigerated overnight. I just want to show you quickly about removing the crumbs. So if you gently rub your hands over the top of it, you'll remove that crumb. It's like a sugary crumb. And then just rub the sides gently with your hand. It'll come off. All right, the cakes have baked and cooled, and I've trimmed them just a little bit and removed the crumb. And I am going to put a little bit of buttercream underneath the cake board so that it will stay still while I'm putting the buttercream in between the layers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We do want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. You can reach out to us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. See you next time.